Yes, friends, now the last part of cough which I'll cover. Whatever my experience in treating simple cough, cold, hay fever. Some drugs which are very rare used in my practice, I have used when I get no results from other drugs. In this, I would like to tell you the first drug, that is Arelia racemosa. Yes, Arelia racemosa. If your symptoms correspond, it will work like a magic. And what are the symptoms? ड्राई कफ कमिंग ऑन ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट स्लीप. पेशेंट आके आपको बोले डॉक्टर साहब सो तो जाता हूँ, तुरंत नींद खुल जाती है घंटे बाद. फर्स्ट स्लीप में अगर खांसी आ रही है, द फर्स्ट ड्रग टू थिंक अबाउट इज एरेलिया रेसिमोसा. क्लासिकली अस्थमा by lying down and at night. The patient with spasmodic cough, worst during first sleep, is a hallmark symptom, is a three marking symptoms of एरेलिया रेसिमोसा. और पेशेंट को हमें लगता है कि देयर इज अ फॉरेन बॉडी इन द थ्रोट. डॉक्टर साहब कुछ भी गले में है मेरे. अ फॉरेन बॉडी सेंसेशन इन द थ्रोट इज इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम टू प्रिस्क्राइब एरेलिया रेसिमोसा विथ hay fever and frequent sneezing. That is a symptom of Arelia racemosa. And the discharge are salty, acrid taste. Salty discharge is Arelia racemosa. In fact, in Arelia racemosa, it is very similar to Rumex. Symptoms are any cold current, मतलब any current of air which causes sneezing with coffee water discharge is Arelia racemosa. In Rumex also, slight cold air inhalation starts getting cough, that is Rumex crispus. Similar to Arelia, where slight current of cold air causes sneezing, water discharge, salty discharge or acrid discharge. So first part of sleep causing cough on lying down is a classical symptom of Arelia racemosa. Next drug which I have found useful is Grindelia. Now Grindelia basically has two parts, either Grindelia robusta or Grindelia squarosa, both with same symptom like the discharge, the mucus is very foamy in a foam type. It is very difficult to detach and a foamy mucus is a hallmark symptom of Grindelia. And definitely if the discharge is foamy, the patient is better by expectoration. When the discharge comes out of the throat and chest, the patient feels much better, and the patient in Grindelia feels as if he'll stop breathing when he's falling asleep. मतलब डॉक्टर जब भी मैं सोता हूँ ना, ऐसा लगता है मेरी सांस अटक जाएंगे और फट छूट जाता है वो. He wakes with a start. In Arelia racemosa, फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ स्लीप के बाद खांसी शुरू होती है. Grindelia जैसे सोएगा, जैसी नींद आना शुरू होगी, फट से झटके से उठ जाएगा. That is wakes with a start. Cannot breathe while lying down is Grindelia. Must sit up with profuse expectoration is a symptom of Grindelia. And now this symptom, a very common symptom of bronchoria. In bronchoria with tough whitish mucus expectoration is Grindelia racemosa. Use this drug, my friends. I've got good results by using this drug with these symptoms. Now next drug we have finished Arelia, Grindelia, Lobelia. Now Lobelia inflata has sensation of pressure on the chest. Up till now we have found sensation in the nose, throat, epiglottis, and if you get sensation or pressure of weight in the chest, which is better by rapid walking. Very surprising. If you have pressure in the chest, you normally lie down, but if there's pressure in the chest, better by rapid walking, then the drug becomes Lobelia. And there is constriction in the chest, there is a feeling of constriction in the chest, that is Lobelia inflata. And it is preceded by prickling all over. डॉक्टर साहब ऐसे काटे समझ लगता है, ऐसी चुभन समझ लगती है, और बाकी सब सिम्टम शुरू हुए, then it becomes Lobelia inflata. And of course the cough of Lobelia is basically cough like short, it is short cough और ringing cough बोलते हैं इसको हम. कैचिंग एट थ्रोट, मतलब पेशेंट फिर ऐसे खांसता है, गले को पकड़ के खांसता है. सो अ सेंस ऑफ कॉन्स्ट्रिक्शन इन द चेस्ट, pressure sensation in the chest which is better by rapid walking. Short cough or ringing cough, patient holds the throat while coughing, and the patient attacks are preceded by prickling before prickling in the body is a symptom of Lobelia inflata. Next drug which I found useful is, you can say, very rarely used is Yucca filamentosa. Only one symptom I found it very useful is in Yucca filamentosa, there is sensation as if something is hanging down from the posterior nares. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि posterior से कुछ लटक रहा है, and which cannot get up or down. वो लटका हुआ लगता है. That is Yucca filamentosa. So my friends, most of the drugs I've covered. One of the drugs which come to my mind is Pothos foetidus. It has a very peculiar symptom, that is asthma is relieved by stools. Remember that if asthma is relieved by stools, think of Pothos. So my friends, watch all the videos of cough. In 90% of cases you will find good results by using these drugs in your practice. All the series, all the part of YouTube you hear. If any query, you can get back to me. And thank you for listening.